This soup looks amazing. Look at that. Look how beautiful that looks. Rayo's vegetable minestrone. Look at that. Hey everybody, welcome back to Parks and Pizza for lunch today. Rayo's vegetable minestrone slow simmered soup. This is as good as you can buy the soup at the store is gonna get. It looks good. I really like Progresso soups, so I'm really excited to try Rayo's minestrone because Progresso's minestrone, it's not bad. So it's cold outside. I can't wait to heat this up and eat it. Vegetable minestrone by Rayo's. Let's go give it a shot. Here we go. We got the nice boil going, and the soup smells really nice. It smells amazing. Can't wait to taste it. And I think it's pretty much ready. Oh, this is good stuff. It's piping hot. You can see it smoking. Woo. Beautiful. Look at that. Look how nice that is. Good looking soup. Smells good. Piping hot. Ooh, look at that. Nice. Look how good that's. This, wow. All right, let's dig in. Ooh, look at that. Look at the smoke. Woo-hoo. Check out this. It's smoking. So good. It's cold outside. It's exactly what you need on a day like this. Nice and clean. Wow, good. I think because it's not in the can, it's in a glass jar, it tastes cleaner, in my opinion. You don't taste the can. Nice and hot. It's excellent. It's very good. Now this soup is gonna run you twice the price of like Progresso soup. So be ready to pay the price. It's not cheap. Other than that, besides the price point, this is 5 out of 5. I really like the soup. And if you like soups, give Rayo's a try. This is the third soup I tried from Rayo's, and it's very good. I'm definitely gonna keep this in my rotation. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next Parks and Pizza video.